What's up, guys? Ace the Gamer here, and today I'm gonna do this little annoying class I call it here. I call this the pistol and throwing knife. As basic as it is, it's very effective because this gun is very strong. For example, good range, good amount of damage, and it gets the other job for you. Sometimes, not from getting sniped from the back. It doesn't stop you from that. There it is, revenge. And I get shot from the back. Every time I get a kill, someone comes from behind and kills me. Like, what the heck, dude? What is up with that? See? I get a kill, someone kills me. I'll get a quick revenge, though. There it is. Give me my ballistic knife back. Not that time, buddy. I don't think so. And I get shot from the back. That's the one thing I hate, getting shot from the back, dude. Like, what the heck? Who does that? Come on. Someone's up here. I know you're up here. Wow. Are you camping back there? I have a camper. He didn't see me. Okay, whatever. Yes, he does, I guess. Stupid ass camper. I'm getting away from that area. Gotta find some other people around here somewhere. There it is. Long shot. And I get sniped from the back. He's not even a freaking prestige, dude. He's like a regular person. And this camper here. Oh, I hate this guy, man. Get blindsided once again from BS. I'm trying to get that guy from the back, dude. I hate getting BS'd. Jeez. Give me a damn break. There it is. Come back. Crap. Sniper. Oh no, don't get me. Just go try and go around this guy. I know he's over here somewhere. There he is, sniper. Alright. Pick up some of this. He had all that time to shoot me, but he didn't. Pick up the kill here. Get that sniper. I got some good kill streaks. Oh wow, from the back. Okay. You guys should try to class out. It's kind of fun. Pistol and just with a ballistic knife. I mean, throwing knife. It's fun. Ooh, yeah, sniped. Oh, trying to trick me, buddy. You're trying to go around me. I don't think so. I don't get tricked that easily. Yeah. No. No way. You ain't getting me, buddy. Not today. Oh, I should never reloaded. Well, I think we're going to win this game, though. I have a good feeling. I'm feeling confident. Who gets spraying here? You can stop spraying. Just stop spraying, buddy. From the back. Okay, whatever. Trying to spawn trap these kids. Come on. Wow, I get flashed. You do need to stop flashing people. That's all he does. Oh, you got a camper back here. Look at this guy. Come on. Come on. There it is. Little camper. Try to get this guy back here. Oh, it's a pistol. Ah, he got me pretty fast, man. What the heck? I really win this game. This is close. It's a close game. Ah, from the back. Stop shooting from the freaking back, man. Jeez. That's one thing I don't like. Getting shot from behind. As you guys would know. There it is. Alright, we're doing good here. Let's hope we can win this. We're not gonna win this. The game's coming to a close, but we did pretty good though.
UAV on standby.
Oh. Oh, I should have had that guy. Oh no! It's gonna be the greatest comeback of all time. If I end up winning this game, this is amazing. Please give me a thumbs up. Oh no! Oh, I came in third place. But I did pretty good with the pistol. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. And I'm gonna do more of these pistol and throwing knife game more often. And look at this noob. He started shooting before he looked at him. You know he was scared. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.